Okay, you guys, I ordered a package from Nordstrom, right? Wait, I don't know where to set you. And got a Brow Wiz, like sample with it or whatever. And I want to know, have you ever seen something so tiny? This is so tiny. You want some Brow Wiz? What's on your face? Excuse me. Thank you. Look at this. I'm gonna try to use it later when I do my makeup. I need to go take a shower. And I need to get ready. For no real reason. I don't think I'm going to put makeup on. I might put a little bit on. But my brother and sister are going to come over soon. And we're going to go on a light drive like what we did yesterday, but through actual lights. And so, yeah, I need to vacuum the couch really quick too because I haven't done it this weekend yet. And yeah, so, but Jared's basically done with work. I'm finished my vlog for today and it feels good. So I just want to share the little thing. It's so cute and little. Pairs well. Okay. Yeah, I want to try it out though later. I mean, I've used Brow Wiz before. What else came in there? There's like a few samples, I think. Oh wow, there's kind of like a lot of samples. And then the Estee Lauder Radiance and Hydration. What is this? Some serum. And then Clarins Extra Firming Joie and Extra Firming Nuit. I don't know. We'll test them out later. I pulled you out because I was going to put it on my eyebrows, but then I realized I'm going to shower, and so we're doing a 10-minute power clean. Jared's in the kitchen, I'm in here. We're getting ready. Oh my god. We're going to the pet store. I feel like the seat is so low. It's like spaceship like. Jared, I feel like the seat, how do I move the seat? Alright, I fixed it, I think. I don't know. Every time I vlog, I look like I'm like hunched over in this car. So I'm trying to like elongate myself. Now you can't see my head. Anyway, we're going to the pet store to get our babies their Christmas presents.
Santa's going to the pet store.
Oh, sorry. Santa is going to the pet store. We're meeting him there just to like point out what or
say Santa's going to the pet store. I heard he got the COVID vaccine, so we're gonna go and pick up the present.
Right. So we're going to meet Santa at the pet store, pick out our babies their gifts, and everyone else their babies' gifts too, like our siblings that have pets.
Call it our step babies.
They're not step babies.
Just call it that.
No, that looks stupid. Anyway, so we'll see if we find anything cute. I'm looking for like a puzzle for each of them. I think I mentioned this earlier. Sorry, I always talk about my pets, so if you're not like a pet person, you probably don't like it, but just to pick up them. They're things, little puzzles and treats, and yeah. So, like, you only have to keep driving Jared's car because my car has to get its windshield replaced in Monday? No, next week. The week after next week. So still waiting for that. I didn't show you my outfit, but if you can kind of see it, it's just like casual, comfy outfit. What? Guys, guess who I'm with? Ooh, hi, Janie and Jake. We're getting in the car. No? Anyway, it's just us vlogging though.
I don't exist according to
boys aren't vloggers. Jake never exists.
I don't exist.
No, you'd be saying that a lot.
You can't find me on Google Maps.
Downtown Rochester. Wait, I already told them that. Or I already told the vlog that.
Yeah, I did.
Anyway, I just thought I'd introduce that they're here, so they didn't randomly just pop up. We're leaving their house right now, and we got a Red Bull at Home Depot when we went in, and we got all of the dog. I'll show you at home, but we're here.
I'm calling Big Gretch on all these people.
Oh my god.
Yo, can someone grab my beer, please? Thank you. Ooh, what you doing? It's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I love it. Let's go.
Okay, we're home now. Here, let me turn this brightness up. So, I'm about to, Felix, we're not doing that. I'm going to be making oat milk creamer really quick so that I can make a coffee. Because I don't have oat milk and I figured, let's just make our own oat milk. So, it says basically to half of a cup of rolled oats. I don't know if these are rolled oats or whatever. 1 1/4 cup of water. Then maple syrup, which we have, organic here, and then vanilla extract. So, we're going to try this. You ready, Fief? You ready? Now I'm going to strain this through a cheesecloth, which I don't really have a cheesecloth, so I'm just going to use like a t-shirt material kind of thing. We're gonna make an iced latte with it, with 1 shot, and we'll see.
Have you ever wondered why Starbucks doesn't have oat milk in?
That's what I would like to know. Some of them do, don't they? Or no, not anymore.
Only in that one. It's got honey cream. I don't know. That's what I've seen it.
You're right. But you can probably ask for it in other things. If they have that on their menu. Oh my god, the food's here.
Do it.
That's really good. Very oaty.
Oh, it's got chunks.
Yum, chunksies of oats. Not you.
That's a new way to eat oatmeal.
It's like really creamy though.
It is creamy. It tastes, you can
Did
texture.
you like, oh, you put vanilla in?
Vanilla. It's kind of like overly sweet, but
I don't think so.
because I only put 1 shot of espresso in it. Not bad though. I'm going to make another batch this week and like make it big, but I'm gonna wash it now.
Alright, what? It's time for Secret Santa already? Alright, I think I know who everyone got. Okay.
Guys, it's the next day now. I put a hat on because my hair is so messy because I showered yesterday, didn't wash my hair. Bad decision on my part. I'll take full responsibility for that, but I'm grabbing my shoes now because we are going to more Christmas gifts. I know, which is kind of crazy because we actually, I mean, obviously we're not seeing really anyone that much for Christmas. We're just seeing our parents. And that's it. Hey, 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 hey. Dude, calm it down. That was kind of ruthless. I know. Hi. Felix. But I'm just wearing this and then a jacket. So, but we have to go through our gifts too. I need Jared to come up here so we can go through our gifts. And then I have a Red Bull. All right, guys. I have my whole wrapping station. I really brought the what is it called? The dining table into here so that I can watch TV with Jared while I wrap. He keeps begging me to wrap, and I'm not letting him because, quite frankly, I told him I don't trust anyone with this job but me. I get very into wrapping. And these are like the actual presents that I care about how they look. Like I wrapped some of Jared's and like I care about how they look. Like I'm not using the same technique as this, so you know, a little different. Right, Jared Stone. What? I'm using this black wrapping paper. As you can see. Sorry, it's kind of dark. You know it's dark, Jared, right? And then I put it on. Nice. And I do this part. Thank you. It's so nice. I have literally the worst cramps that I've had in a very long time. Like, thank you. Adds to the mood. I'm just gonna ignore him as he's doing this. Basically, yeah, I just have the worst cramps ever, and I'm not like in the most peppy of moods. Jared, I'm about to like scream. He's over there laughing, changing the light color. This is staying. I don't even care. Okay, this tape does not look good on this wrapping paper. I'm sorry. It just doesn't. Jared, I'm trying to show him. Can you turn on the regular lights, please? Thank you. Thank you. Look at. Hey, guys. Get off the app. Get off of that app. Jared.
I'm off of it.
Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you. My sister's here, my cousins too. My brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see, with all faded photos of family. But oh, Christmas tree, no, you don't mean a thing without the joy that surrounds you.